this. So lascio la pianta. It's the living room. Go look down. Hi, Anthony. And this would be one of the guest bathrooms, which has a closet and has their own bathroom, toilet, bathtub with the mess, don't mind the mess. Nice big room, high ceiling, and right now you can't really tell anything because it's all work in progress. Then here is a closet for, I don't know, something. This is the other room, another guest bathroom. Wish my camera's not working. Okay. Two windows. It's also for the guests, so if you never know, another baby bathroom with bathroom over here, and then the shower is a separate room, and there's the bath, toilet, and shower. There's a nice big closet for the guests. Oh, it could be another bedroom because it's small, but you could put a baby bed or something. And then we go to Vincenzo's room, just down the hall. And this is Vincenzo's room. First is Vincenzo's bathroom. It's all tiles already. Guess the sink goes here. And then this is the bath. And then the toilet. And this is Vincenzo's room with his closet that he needs it. He has more clothes than mommy. And his beautiful view. Ceilings. Then there's a little two storage areas which you could put once we're done with the work. And you could put his toys. And there's another one right here. And you get the house view. Now go to the basement.